Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by recording date, experiment title, and a clear aim so anyone can identify the purpose. Once done, write the exact materials and quantities, 0, 5G, 10 ml, because measurements matter for reproducibility. Next, add the step-by-step procedure as you start the work. Don't guess later. This immediate capture prevents forgotten details and saves repeat runs. Make sure to number the page and note safety precautions. These small formalities keep your record valid and usable for reports. While you run the experiment, write measurements and qualitative observations in real time so values aren't approximated later. For example, record temperatures in degrees C, times, and volumes as you measure them, and note any deviations from the written procedure. This explains unexpected results. Also jot reagent batch numbers and technique changes because those small differences can shift outcomes. Once complete steps occur, sketch setups or spectra with labels to clarify what words can't. Make sure entries are legible. You finish by calculating results directly in the logbook, showing every step in units plus uncertainty estimates so reviewers can follow your math. After calculations, write a brief conclusion that states whether the aim was met and list proposed improvements or follow-up experiments to save time next session. Sign and date the entry and get instructor initials when required. If pages risk loss, photograph or scan them immediately. If something is illegible later, rewrite with a note linking to the original and have it countersigned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.